Gulman Bear. Good morning. See Grahamstown. See Grahamstown. Greetings. Hi. Abafuna ukukhuluma kodwa ke we're inviting you to culture engagement yethu ebizwa AMASIKO NEZITHETHE, and it's going to be in Grahamstown on the 26th to the 29th. You can choose any day between those to come and be with us. Abba is going to be holding a dialogue and a reading of his book AMASIKO NEZITHETHE. And then we're also going to have the first annual MAQOMA Heritage Lecture that is going to be held by Baba Themba Ngata, Mzoto of Amava Heritage Publishing. Come enjoy with us. We will be having local culture groups as well. We will also be coming down as the musicians to Ubonga Rayoti, Uputu Manzini, and myself, Trost Eccles. Sibonga Kudu, thank you so much for your support. We'll see you in Grahamstown. It's 1:50 and it starts between 3 o'clock in the afternoon and ends at 7. And we will send you the location once we get proof of payment. Give thanks. Yeah. Bless. For you hustle when your knees and pray. Say run up the team and go. Full force, nothing can stop we know. Can't stop flexing man, yeah. For you hustle when your knees and pray. Say run up the team and go. Full force, nothing can stop we know. Can't stop flexing man, yeah. For you hustle when your knees and pray. Say run up the team and go. Full force, nothing can